What is your favorite worship song?
Worthy is the Lamb.
What is the lamp? Sa sample daw.
Worthy is the Lamb.
Wala ka singer yan. Okay, thank you. Asa yung pangalan?
Raisa.
Raisa, so what is your favorite worship song?
Tayaw.
Sayaw. Sige, sample. 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 Sample.
Sasayata, nagsusutsuta, sa pagsiwakan niya.
Okay. So what is your favorite worship song, Jaime?
Akong favorite song sa worship song is
Yeah.
Mighty to Save.
Okay, Mighty to Save. So, sample daw. Sige lang.
Savior, He can move the mountains. My God is mighty to save. He is mighty to save.
Okay.